The FarmTRX Harvest Bundle includes everything you need to get started precision yield mapping this harvest season, including the latest version of the yield monitor, the moisture sensor, optical sensors with quick connect installation technology, all the necessary wiring for installation, and the external GPS antenna. Your purchase of a yield monitor also includes a full year of access to our automated precision yield mapping software, the FarmTRX web app. Inside the yield monitor box, you'll find a data logger and 2 optical sensors. The data logger installs in the cab of the combine and records yield data with 32 gigabytes of onboard storage, enough for multiple years of harvest data. The data is synced wirelessly at the convenience of the farmer. The transfer of yield data from the yield monitor to the web app for automatic yield map generation is done using your mobile phone or tablet through the FarmTRX mobile app. The optical sensors are installed on opposite sides of the clean grain elevator. A light beam is used to measure the volume of grain on each passing paddle, so relative yield is always being accurately recorded. An external GPS antenna provides greater positional accuracy when installed in the center line of the combine cab. A GPS is also found internally in the yield monitor. FarmTRX's patent-pending Quick Connect installation technology gives farmers a faster, easier, and more accurate installation of the sensors. Quick Connect includes 2 mounting plates with adhesive backing, a mounting jig, and the Quick Connect sensor mounts. Also included, you'll find a drill guide kit with a drill extension and 1/8 inch and 3/4 inch drill bits. A drill guide kit comes included with the yield monitor, allowing the installer to mount the optical sensors across from each other in the elevator by drilling straight across from one side. The FarmTRX moisture sensor installs at the base of the clean grain elevator door and records live and average sensed grain moisture. The FarmTRX Harvest Bundle is a single package solution. Start precision yield mapping simply and affordably with FarmTRX.